Video, I'm going to show you how to get a free domain name or an extremely cheap domain name for like $1. So you see here, Bluehost has an offer. This is not an affiliate offer. This is just a regular offer in general. Free domain name when you get their hosting. So if you don't have hosting yet, if you don't have a domain name, this is where a place where you can get a really cheap hosting. It's pretty good and free domain name. They're a reputable company. Nothing wrong with them. So free domain name. If you already have a domain name, you cannot get another one for free, but you can just search for. I usually get my domain names when it's not on Bluehost. I get them on GoDaddy because maybe I'm old school. But if you search for like GoDaddy uh, domain coupons, you can find a ton of promotions, 35% off, and there's like 85% off, you see, and they're very timely, and many websites. Some of the websites will have outdated coupons, but usually there's a way to get a domain for like $1, between $1 and $2 or something like that, or just a few bucks. You can get a big discount. They always have some kind of promotion going on, and so that way you can get a free or extremely cheap domain just like that.